Alright guys, this is a new fan that I got today. This is a polished chrome and mahogany bladed Casablanca Delta II ceiling fan. This is currently my first Delta II that I had. I've been looking for one for quite some time and now I found one. It came with this hand tool, as you can see. This hand tool and this down I can see it's on chrome right there. Yeah, I even got a emission power brass designer, so that goes low. Yeah, and now that I have one, I don't look for the brother or any other furniture Dr. 2. That is the only Dr. 2 that I found at Twin Post today, so yeah. Pretty decent air move on low, I guess. Not too bad. Yeah, I have no idea what date the fan is, nor I don't know what day it was made in. So if you guys know that stuff, comment down below. Yeah, all I know is that the Casablanca Delta II. Yeah, that's all I know. Give medium. Yeah, no, it also came with the hand tool and the hardware. See here, yeah, here's the hand tool. As you can see, ground wires on there. So that's the original to the fan, including this hardware stuff. That's the original to the fan as well. Yeah. And it's in pretty good shape, except for the blades are a little, the brackets are a little bit bent. I don't know how that happened, probably because it was in the packaging. I mean, when it came out of the packaging, the blade looked a little bit when I put the blades on the blade arms. So, it's perfectly balanced, I guess. It's high. And we'll change that in that ball. Wow, it's perfectly balanced. Reverse. Reverse low. I'm not gonna speed it up a little bit. And from now on, I'm gonna do reverse on most of my fans if I can use the reverse works. Possibly. Yeah, blowing some air down here. Just medium. And this is my one. Yeah, I think I'll have Casablancas now. I mean, pretty impressive. Here's high. We're not forward. Two more than time. Large decent amount of air, impressed. Been down. Unplugged it. And I'm possibly going to do a video of the designer, the park bath designer. Maybe tomorrow, maybe, I don't know, we'll have to see. Or maybe sometime during the week. We'll have to see. Well, I'm fine with mahogany blade, but I would have preferred maple, light maple, or honey oak, or like some kind of like oak or something, or black blade with a feather on there. But mahogany was the only blade they had, so I just went with mahogany. I mean, the mahogany blades look okay on it, I guess. I mean, it's not that bad. That been down, and look at rounded tip blades on it. Yeah, there's so. Unfortunately, I might want a spotlight kit for it. Yeah, I might want to get like a spotlight kit next time I go down there. Alright, so yeah, that's it. The video. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.